Today I'm going to be showing how to make an origami bird base. What you're going to do is start with a square piece of origami paper, color side down. You're going to fold it in half, just like this. Crease it, unfold, and crease it the other direction too. Then you're going to unfold that. Then what you want to do is with the color side up, fold it diagonally. Then unfold and fold diagonally the other direction. Okay, now flip it back over so you have the color side down. What you want to do is you want to start out with one of the diagonally folds in one of these folds, so you have it looks like that. So what you're going to do is you're just going to let it fold up like that. So now you have that pocket with the triangle in it. And you want to fold the other triangle down. So now it looks like this. It's open and just fold it down just flat like that. Okay, now with the open side up, like this, or yeah, with the open side down, you're going to fold it down the midline, down the middle one, just like that. And then you're going to fold this one to the middle one as well. So it looks like this. Now what you want to do is with the point up here that's closed, you're going to fold it down along this line as far as you can, like that. Okay, now crease that pretty good, and then unfold it, and unfold these. Now what you want to do is at the bottom, you'll have what's here. Now only open it to the crease that you folded with this flap. So fold it up to here, and then you're going to fold it back on itself like that. And then right here, I'm going to fold these back to where they were before. And now here's what you want to crease, is right here. You want to crease these. Okay, now you're going to flip it over. And you're going to do the same thing. Take the flap, fold it to the middle line. Fold the other one to the middle one as well. Just like that. And take this flap, fold it down, unfold, and unfold these. Open it up to the crease. Fold it back. Just like that. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. And that's how you make an origami bird base.